Hello, medical writers, health writers, scientific writers. You are listening to the second video of the video series, Marketing Mastery for Medical Writers. I have recently conducted a survey about what is it about marketing you medical writers want to learn the most. Surprisingly, the number one topic was why medical writers fail to grow on LinkedIn. So that's what we are going to talk about. In this video, I will share why medical writers particularly fail to grow on LinkedIn or any other marketing platform, and it's tailored to us. It's not some general advice that works for any professional. Let's get into it. One reason that medical writers, health writers fail to grow on LinkedIn is not nurturing the relationships. Having tons of connections but not nurturing them is equivalent to having tons of valuable books but not learning anything. Having a treasure chest but not spending the treasure for anything. Whatever your current network is, big or small, and whoever are there in your network, nurture those relationships. You just don't want them to be a number in your network or a name that eventually you forget about them and they forget about you. Have a plan for each of your network as you continue to grow, to reach out to them, to get to know about them, to tell about yourself. And when you do that consistently, people will have more trust in you and they would probably hire you or refer you, or something will come up from trusted relationships. Another reason I'm going to focus on today for why we fail to grow on LinkedIn is to not engage meaningfully. I see so many comments on agreed, right, 100%. That doesn't tell me about that person. That doesn't make that person memorable to me. Also, when you post something or you leave a comment on someone's post, remember that you are writers. So each of the sentences, each of the point you bring up, they are sort of samples to represent your writing skills. And that's why I would recommend that you don't have to engage on lots of posts or with tons of people, but when you engage, you take the time. When you express your thought on a comment or post, check your grammar, see that if it's clear, if it's engaging. Have a list of people who you want to engage with. Don't just wait that they will come to your post to engage with you. Rather, you go to their profile, you go to their inboxes and interact with them. Perfectionism, procrastination, imposter syndrome, fear of failure, fear of this, fear of that. There are actually a lot of reasons why we are not able to market ourselves to our full potential. But those reasons a lot of time reside inside. That means we can work on them and we can get better. That's good news. In the next video, I'm going to talk about how through thought leadership, you can enhance your visibility and make people perceive your value. Stay tuned.